Alright guys, I've done it again. This is my 10th pit bike I bought out in the lifespan I've fucking been uploading. I got the Tao DB17. I got it in the color blue this time, so let's unbox it real quick and see what's up with it. Okay, so this I bought from Amazon for it was, I believe, $1,100, like after taxes and shipping and shit. It was the cheapest pit bike on Amazon I could find. That was manual. There was another one that was like $600, but that was not manual. And this is the I believe it's the 17-inch tires. I believe it's a 17 front and the 14 rear. Other one was the little one, you know. So I'm curious. This came from Texas and I'm in Washington, so it got a little delayed because of the storm right now in Texas and shit. So alright, let's see what's inside. Hopefully everything is there. I got the color blue this time. Never had a blue pit bike. I've always had white. Had a white one and a red one. That's all I had. And then I lied, I did have a blue one. I had the Apollo, the RFZ, and I sold that shit. Oh shit, I scratched it. Hey, okay, I see a bike. And if you're curious of this exact bike, I'll leave the exact link in the description below. Yo, they gave me gloves. I'm dead. They give you gloves. Damn, I'm already loving this. Got me cheap ass gloves too. Damn. Man, I fucking, hold on. So this is the 125cc. 125cc. It's a little bigger than your average pit bike because of the wheel size. Wow. This car won't even fucking run, so I can't even move it. But damn, look at that. Wow, it's weird seeing another pit bike in this fucking house again. Never knew I'd get another one again. That's fucking cool. Let's see what these gloves look like. I'm curious as shit. Bro, it came with goggles too? Chill. That's kind of cool. Even though I don't even have fucking a helmet like that. X Pro has their own dude, that is kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie, no cap, that's kind of cool. What is this? A face mask? Yo, these guys are looking out for you, bro. No way. I'm dead. X Pro is a brand of pit bikes, I know that, but this is a Tao, and then X Pro box came, and I was like, what the hell? A cheapest one possible too. Oh shit, okay, it's not bad. Alright, let's get this fucking started. Oh shit, it comes with a key? That's kind of cool. Did I say 14? Okay, best. Alright guys, so just got the bike done. Not using the big camera no more because I'm gonna go get some gas for the bike and some oil. But it's basically done. Here it is. Looking good, looking good. Everything was really simple to do. So I know it comes with oil, but I'm gonna get my own oil. Just feel more comfortable. Get more oil and gas, and then I'll be back at you guys. Alright, let's go get some oil. Damn, look at this. I got an IS300 and I got BRZ and manual IS300. Hit me up, boy, if you want to try and buy this shit. Alright guys, just got the gas in and I'm about to change the oil real quick and then I'll do a first startup. And then I'll give you a riding video some other day because the weather is ass right now. It's snowing again. Just kidding, it's raining. But there's snow and shit like everywhere. Oh shit, commotion. Alright, my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna start this piece of shit and see what it does. Dude, no way, first kick? Dude, what the frick? First kick, dude. Alright, so the bike runs. I mean, it's still a piece of shit. But like, expect to get more riding videos soon, I guess. I mean, yeah, whatever. So, like the video and shit. And like, bye.